So what is he? What actually is he doing?
Very little looks like over there.
No, I'm just trying to figure out. Is he? Oh, he's putting down the support there. Oh my goodness, he's got all the toys out today.
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure what he's up to.
Yeah.
You too, thanks.
That's the only thing it is. They both are greyhounds. I never seen a brown greyhound. I would say they both sound to be gray. They, a lot of people used to have them as racing dogs. Yeah, the only bad thing is when they don't win, they start losing races, then they have to put them down. But if you think, I think it's just because some people just don't have a heart.
Like old horses like that. Horses like they used to.
And that's the reason why they say a horse breaks his leg and pretty much can't do much.
Yeah. Just like UDF over there.
Yes, sir.
Such a dead area, right?
You know, it's kind of it's that old car abandoned. It's kind of nice. It's kind of nice that they finally give them a gas station in this area.
Remember the old place that used to be there, fixed cars? That just sat there for a long time. They needed something here. Because they had that overcharged bakery here. They said, yeah, it is.
Not quite sure what he's trying to do up there. Whoops, sorry.
That's why I said just don't pitch this up there. Tell people they have a restaurant. Give people their money's worth. Yeah. And I say no.
Oh, he's picking the legs up again.
It'd be like a first date, and the girl she wants to order a lobster.
So where's he going with the stone now?
Yeah, there was a guy over there looking at the menu, and the lady came out and said, somebody can help you with that? Said, yeah, tell me why this certain orders were $54.
You can go to Longhorn. I can go to Longhorn Steakhouse and don't pay that much with no darn $54.
Yeah, exactly. It should be a trendy area.